So let's talk about how to track backlinks for a web page. Now, backlinks have multi-components in terms of ranking factors. If you look at backlinks, right, you have positive backlinks, you have negative backlinks, you have backlinks that have a lot of domain authority, you have backlinks that have very little domain authority. You have backlinks that can help you rank higher. But once again, backlinks are just one ranking factor of many. A lot of people think in that same 2008 mindset with Google, where if you have all these backlinks, then for sure you're going to rank over all your competitors. And that's not necessarily true. You know, a lot of the times you have to understand that topical authority is probably the strongest ranking factor, but that comes with benefits. You know, keyword density is a ranking factor that applies to topical authority. You have topical resonance, that is a keyword factor. A ranking factor. There's so many different ranking factors that are intertwined. For example, you won't have topical authority unless you have quantity. You won't have topical authority unless you have keyword density, unless you have the right keywords in your slug or your URL handle. There's a lot of different things that contribute to a ranking factor. One of the ranking factors that are important, that contribute to other and intertwined with other ranking factors, is your backlinks. With that being said, it's important to track backlinks of your competitors. So a lot of people track their own backlinks, and that's fine. You could do that. But that's not moving the needle. Sometimes you want to see, what are your competitors doing? How are they moving the needle? And sometimes, like I said, backlinks is involved in that strategy. So I have a competitor, for example, on one of my websites called Squat Wolf, okay? And I've searched their website a lot. Once again, they're my competitor. And I want to see what backlinks do they have. So I can go to their website, I can copy their website here, and I can go to the backlink miner, okay? It's called the link miner, backlink analysis. I can click on this, and I can paste the domain name, right? And hit find backlinks. And what it's going to do is it's going to provide me a list of all the different backlinks that come in and where they're getting their backlinks. So for example, disrupt.com, this is a platform that provides backlinks. I can read their website, I can see what are they doing, who works for them, how are they involved. And notice this is an example of the backlink. It says Squat Wolf. That's one of their, partners, okay? Now, they're not paying for backlink, they're an actual company, but the point is that I can look through all these lists of backlinks and see, okay, where are they getting their backlinks? What's their strategy here? Where are they going here? And some backlinks are, once again, useful, some are not. So, for example, we have this backlink here, and this is a no-follow backlink. Now, some people think that no-follow backlinks do not help your ranking. That's not exactly true. It helps, but in a different way. It's called a social signal. Now, social signals, people think that the ranking factor of a social signal is purely just social media. Social media is great, and that is predominantly what a social signal is, but a no-follow link is still a social signal. And here it's like about, different coupon codes for a certain website or whatever, but sometimes backlinks can have two uses. The first use is an algorithmic use, meaning the algorithm looks at it and says, okay, let's give this person or this website a little bit more brownie points. And then you have another use, which is the traffic. So if traffic is coming into your website through a backlink, that's a huge use. You're getting more traffic. You're funneling more people to your site. Now, if we look at some of our competitors, and we look at their backlinks, where are they getting their traffic? Obviously, we can't always control who is paying or what are they paying for, and we can't see, the kind of things that are going on behind the scenes, but we can get an idea behind the site. So, for example, a lot of these coupon-based websites, they're just, they acquire backlinks naturally. They have coupons, people use them, they put them on websites, tell other people that the coupons exist, and they try to take advantage of that. So, for example, this website called Shopping Online is nothing more than just an affiliate referral site. And somebody would click on squatwolf.com, they'll click on it, and then they'll get access to that, and the company will have an affiliate link in the button. and then that will result in income for the company. So some backlinks, once again, are useful, some aren't. It just depends on how you look at it. But a good thing is just to understand and see what is your competitor doing from a backlink standpoint. So this website is called clichémag.com, fashion, and then we have the top best activewear brands. So I can click on this article, and I can actually click on the post here, and we can look at the actual post, whether it's here or whether it's here, and I can read through the post. And first they have is Squat Wolf. Now, Squat Wolf, I can almost guarantee you, nothing is free in this world. They've paid for this position. In fact, if I want to look here, I can see, is it an affiliate position or is it a sponsored position? So these links here are clickable. If I click this link, right, I can look at the link here and see, okay, this is a sponsored position. Why? From what I can see, the domain name doesn't have a referral ID in it, which basically means that this company, right, Cliché Mag, was paid to have their section here, or the company was paid, Squat Wolf paid Cliché Mag to have their spot here. Now, there's nothing wrong with that. That's an example of a backlink that could also potentially lead to future customers. How? Somebody could be searching top best activewear brands for working out or something like that. This article arises, they read, and the first one is Squat Wolf. Interesting. Also, if you look here, this article is relatively short, and you have, like, for example, Lululemon, Riderwear, Spiritual Gangster, Yoga Outlet. There's images and stuff for these different paragraphs or these different segments, but Squat Wolf looks like it was just implemented on there. It's all caps. It's all capitals. Maybe this is a paid opportunity. Once again, we don't know exactly what happens behind the scenes, but this is something that you could do as a business owner, but you have to know what companies are open to this. So, for example, this Cliché Mag, if I was a competitor here and Cliché Mag was open to me, working with them, I would message them and I would say, hey, what does it cost to add a segment to your post here for my clothing brand, for example? And we'll see if they're open to that. Not all companies are open. Some they are, some they aren't. And they're open for different things. So some companies are open for link edits. Some are open for article posts. Some are open for really nothing at all. So it's different businesses, different folks, and different focuses, But I can click here and I can look at some of these different links, and I can see, like in the Ahref link, this is not a referral link, okay? So there's no referral ID, which just goes to show, once again, this is not an affiliate, right? Cliché Mag is not an affiliate of Squat Wolf. So if they're not an affiliate and they're promoting direct links with no affiliate, then that means this was a paid post. I highly doubt that the writer came here and believed that Squat Wolf was just a great company and they put it in here. The reality is there's millions of companies out there. People pay for their positions. To also kind of give support to the idea is, if you look at the context, right? Here it says Riderwear. Nowhere can you click on Riderwear here. Here it says Spiritual Gangster, the brand. There's nowhere you can click this. Yoga Outlet, not a single place for you to click Yoga Outlet. Beyond Yoga, there's not a single place for you to click on that. La Quasa, or whatever you pronounce that brand. Nowhere can you click on the brand. Nowhere can it take you there. So they're only really promoting Squat Wolf. Let's see. Do they have Lululemon here? Let me see. Let's click. Yeah, they're not even. This doesn't even make sense. They're not even promoting, right, the right links in the right spaces, but they are with Squat Wolf, right? So interesting. Like I said, what this goes to show for me, and if you look here, here's the word gymwear, has nothing to do with Squat Wolf. This is the introduction. You click on it, it takes you to Squat Wolf. Once again, it's a paid position. So I would look at companies that are taking these paid positions, and I would say, what's it going to take for me to get there? Sometimes it could be a paid position. Sometimes it's not. Depends on the situation. Sometimes it's a trade of links. It depends on the situation, like I said. But let's look at something like this, for example. This is a coupon code site. Most coupon code sites, this voucher code UAE.com, most coupon code sites, like I said, they pick you up for free. but they're also not really that beneficial because they're picking up everybody. So you want to look and be specific about which sites. Like this Cliche Mag was a great opportunity. But once again, you have to look at your competitors. How are they getting these backlinks, right? So I'll look at something like Squat Wolf discounts. Let's see, Just the Wolf deals. This is another one. This is like a discount website. This is drjack.world keyword ranking. So this has nothing to do with this. And once again, most backlinks are garbage. Most backlinks are a waste of time, but you do have to go through this. The Common Ground Network. 5 women share their successful weight loss journey. Let's go ahead and take a look at this link. Okay, so this link is dead, so it's a dead backlink. Okay, here we have another one. Let's see if this one is live. Yep, this one is live. It's the same article. 5 girls share their profitable weight loss journey. Let's click on this, and let's see, where is it linking back to Squat Wolf? Let's see, right there, Squat Wolf. So here, it says content lead Squat Wolf. They're leaving the Squat Wolf link. Who is this person? Let's see. Does she work for Squat Wolf or what is... Yeah. Senior Executive Digital Content Developer. Clearly she works for Squat Wolf. And she has an article on this page here. Okay. And there you go. So that's a backlink sent to the website, the clothing website. And yes, these are business moves behind the scenes. This is why I say, like, guys, if you focus on one site for a couple weeks, few months at a time, and only devote your energy to that one business, you build that business, which is essentially a website, and then you move on to the next, you move on to the next, you move on to the next. You're building these passive income businesses that are going to keep growing with time because that's how SEO works. You do the work once, it grows with time, and then if you need to go back later and iterate, great. Let's look at this website, Best Gym Pants Recommendation for Men. And here we have a link to Squat Wolf. There we go. Let's look at this on the big screen. So Best Gym Pants Recommendation for Men 2021. We read. There we go. Squat Wolf. And of course, the keyword that they're using as their anchor is gymwear. We click on gymwear. Let's go ahead and get rid of this ad. Guess where it takes us? Squat Wolf. So these are opportunities, right? And so this is stylevanity.com. We can go to stylevanity.com and we could say, hey, we want to work with you. They have an advertise link. It says, want to work with us? Let's see. And you have different people you can message. So founder, owner, contributing author, you can message. If you want to be a contributing author, right? Let's see what else. It says, are not affiliated. Let's see. Who can view our media kit here? So clearly, they have opportunities to work with them. Let's see their YouTube. They're small. They're only 5,000 viewers. Okay, interesting. So this is an opportunity, right? So we want to find these opportunities with the backlink tracker using Mangools, all right? I'll leave a link in the description. You guys can access a free trial to this software. It's very, very effective. You saw how we do it. And keep watching the rest of this course. It's going to help you out a lot. But this is one of the big tips for the backlinks, all right? I'll talk to you soon. Let's move on to the next lesson.